Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I want to talk to you about how are the best friends determined and how you can get a best friend. You can have 8 best friends right now, but you need to engage with them a lot. You need to, every day, you need to have those snap streaks. You need to send them snaps. They need to reply to you on day-to-day basis, and then they will appear on your screen at one time. It's not like shown like when, but you can't just be spamming each other like in 2 days 200 messages and then you're like magically gonna be a best friends. No, it doesn't work like that. So you need to be patient. You need to work on it like for 1 month, 2 months, constantly writing up during the day with your, I don't know, friend from school, whatever, even your crush. So that's how we actually make it, and that's how we actually do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any question, just ask down below in the comments and I will try to help you. Thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.